Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automatic Addiction channel. The X7 is one of BMW's newer models, but there's already speculation surrounding its redesign. The brand's full-sized SUV offering is tentatively slated to be redesigned for the 2026 model year. Reports are still unconfirmed, but here's what we know so far about the 2027 BMW X7. We haven't seen what the redesigned X7 looks like yet, but according to Automotive News, it could arrive for the 2026 model year. We expect its styling to be an evolution of the current model's polarizing design. BMW doubled down on the X7's already controversial styling with its 2023 refresh. The ever-present extra-large grille is now flanked by BMW's ultra-thin headlights, like the ones found on the 7 Series and i7. The Bavarian automaker hasn't been too concerned about ruffling feathers with its designs of late, so don't expect conservative styling on the next-gen 2026 BMW X7. Expect it to be bold, sharp, and refined, continuing BMW's trend of unconventional design. The current X7's interior features a bevy of luxury and technology, and we expect BMW to build upon that for the 2026 model. Screens are already plentiful in the 2023 X7, with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster seamlessly integrated into a 14.9 infotainment touchscreen. For the 2026 BMW X7, we might see an even larger array of screens, possibly featuring a full dashboard display with unbroken screens similar to high-end models from Cadillac and Mercedes-Benz. Additionally, an updated iDrive operating system is likely to enhance the user experience. Expect the luxury features, like heated seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof, to be enhanced even further. Since the 2023 X7 received upgraded engines, the powertrain lineup is expected to carry over to the 2026 BMW X7. The base engine is a 375 horsepower 3.0L turbocharged inline-six, while the performance-oriented M60i trim boasts a 523 horsepower twin-turbocharged V8 mild hybrid. Additionally, the redesigned X7 is rumored to be followed by an electric variant, the 9/7, expanding the model's reach. All versions are all-wheel drive, which will continue into the next X7 generation. The 2023 X7 already comes with a competitive array of driver assistance features, such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. For the 2026 BMW X7, BMW is likely to expand this suite with more advanced semi-autonomous features. Although pricing for the 2026 BMW X7 has not been officially released, the current range starts at $78,845 for the 6-cylinder xDrive 40i and goes up to $145,995 for the Alpina XB7. With the expected upgrades, the redesign will likely come with a slight price increase. Keep an eye out for the official release of the 2026 BMW X7, as it promises to be a luxurious, performance-oriented SUV. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive content on automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.